Welcome back to our channel. Meet the Eitton Robot Vacuum and Mop, the all-in-one cleaning solution built to keep your floor spotless without the effort. With smart navigation, powerful suction, and efficient mopping, it takes care of dust, dirt, and spills so your home stays fresh every day. In this video, we're breaking down powerful features that robot vacuum, a game changer in home cleaning tech. Let's get into it. 5,000 Pascal super suction. The Eitton Robot Vacuum and self-draining robot offers a maximum suction of 5,000 Pa, whether tackling ground and dirt on carpets or fine dust and pet hair on hardwood floors. This powerful suction ensures a deep, thorough clean. It's particularly effective in high-traffic areas, pet-friendly homes, and spaces prone to heavier messes, leaving every corner spotless. 60-day hands-free cleaning. The Eitton Robot Vacuum and Mop features a large-capacity dust collection station that quickly dumps dirt and dust into the dust bag to prevent clogging. Fully automatic daily cleaning, making life simpler and more convenient. 360 degrees LiDAR precise mapping and navigation. The Eitton Robot Vacuum sweeping robot adopts the most advanced LiDAR mapping technology, scanning and identifying various complex home layouts in 360 degrees, allowing for quick and accurate mapping and planning of cleaning routes. Compared with traditional vacuum cleaners, its cleaning efficiency is increased by 70%. 4-in-1 sweeping, vacuuming, mopping and self-empty. The Eitton Robot Vacuum Cleaner combines sweeping, vacuuming, mopping and vacuuming for a complete cleaning solution. Free your hands and enjoy comfort. Cleaning action of this vacuum. Smart navigation and hands-free convenience makes perfect addition to any busy household. Smart app and no-go areas. You can set a personalized cleaning plan via the app to meet your different needs. You can choose the cleaning time, suction power, and cleaning mode. You can also create no-go areas to prevent the robot vacuum from entering them. Perfect for gifts. The Eitton Robot Vacuum is the best choice for your gift. It can save your family and friends time for housework, and let your family and friends accompany you more and enjoy life. The Eitton Robot Vacuum and Mop is more than just a gadget, it's your cleaning partner for a tidy, comfortable home. Smarter cleaning, less effort, and more free time. That's the Eitton way. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.